All right. We're making mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise. This is a very simple, okay, I've actually never done this before, but this is a very simple, easy technique. There are harder techniques. We're not doing that one. You need, for our technique, an immersion blender, a hand blender. You can do this by hand with a whisk or with a food processor, but you'll have to look at other videos for that. We're gonna use this mayo to make a burger sauce, and that's coming in the next video. I'm feeling pretty confident, but we'll see. Hopefully this will make a nice and creamy mayo that we can use in lots of different things. We're going to succeed. I am going to pasteurize an egg at home. You can do this if you're eating raw egg. Start with the egg in the water from the beginning. Bring up the water to 140 Fahrenheit on a low, steady incrementation. Once it gets to the temperature, you just need to have it in there for at least 5 minutes. Rinse it under cold water, and then you're good to go. You can make mayo or whatever, like your Caesar dressing. We're gonna start by cracking this egg in here. Immersion blenders come with a little container that you can like blend in. That's the most ideal thing to use. I don't have one, so I'm using this mug, which I think is gonna work well. I'm gonna add in the apple cider vinegar, the tablespoon of mustard. Dijon is key here. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice for now, and then I might actually do more later. See how it tastes. And now a cup of like not too flavorful oil. I'm using grapeseed. I'll let you know how this tastes. I don't know if this is gonna work, but apparently it does. So here we go. So you want to immerse the blender all the way down, pulse a few times until it starts emulsifying, and then you can kind of start to bring it up and let the air in. Guys, I'm so excited. That was so easy. That took like what? Like 10 seconds, 20 seconds? This is so awesome. I might never buy mayo ever again because this was so easy. Again, not as easy any other method, like the hand blender you need. And I would actually recommend just getting one if you don't have one, because this is like great for soups, great for all kinds of things. So now we taste. Actually, I've failed at making mayo twice. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, ready? There's hair in my mouth. Sorry, guys. That's really nice. It's good. I think it could use some more lemon and some more salt. So I'm gonna ask Johnny to taste and tell me what he thinks.
So much better.
That took like literally like 20 seconds, no more. This is amazing. This is like my mind has been blown by this mayo. Here you have it. It was so easy. It worked so well. Homemade mayo. You can put whatever you want into here. You can put some garlic or some chipotle. Isn't it beautiful? I'm happy. I don't know if you can tell. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications.